In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Jira into read-only mode for maintenance, migration, or archiving. If you need to protect your data during a server migration, a cloud maintenance window, or a permanent project freeze, this is a very useful setting. The goal is simple. Stop people from creating issues, editing tickets, or adding comments while important backend work is happening, so your data stays consistent and your reporting stays clean. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to admin.atlassian.com. If your organization uses its own Jira site address, you can also sign in through your company's Atlassian site. Once you're logged in and the admin interface has fully loaded, look to the upper right area of the screen and click the Settings cog icon. This is where you'll access the main configuration options for your Jira environment. After that, open the System area, or in some layouts, Site Administration. In the left-hand sidebar, scroll until you find the maintenance-related options, then select Read-Only Mode. Depending on your Jira setup, this area may also appear under something like Maintenance Banner and Access Control. This is the section where you manage the site, freeze. Now find the toggle labeled Read-Only Mode. Switch it from disabled to enabled. As soon as you do this, Jira should open a confirmation prompt on screen. This is your chance to review the change before it goes live, so take a moment to make sure you're enabling it in the correct environment. Next, add a clear message in the banner message field. A simple notice works best, such as Jira is currently in read-only mode for scheduled maintenance. Editing, issue creation, and comments are temporarily unavailable. This banner helps users understand what's happening and reduces confusion during the maintenance window. Once your message is ready, click Activate Read-Only Mode to apply the change. If you don't have global admin rights and only need to freeze one project instead of the entire site, there is an alternative route. Open that project, go to Project Settings, and then open the permission scheme. In that scheme, remove access for create issues, edit issues, and add comments while leaving view issues in place for your users. Save the changes, and that project will effectively become read only without affecting the rest of the Jira instance. Finally, go back into the project and verify everything. Check that the maintenance banner appears at the top. Confirm that create options are no longer available, and make sure issue content can be viewed but not changed. Once that validation is complete, your read-only setup is live and ready for safe maintenance or archiving. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next